Hello, everyone over there at Dunright Metal Buildings. My name is Charles. I'm partnering with Handley Digital, and this is the video that we were going to send you guys. All right, so the three things I just wanted to talk about, and these three recommendations will help build your online presence, and therefore you'll get more and more clients coming to you. So they are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. Everything that you can see I've highlighted here in blue, all the pictures, all the text, the words behind the pictures. For example, if I was to save one of your pictures, I can tell what Google knows that it's saved as. You can see it's just a random string of numbers and letters. It's important to save your pictures as keywords, and I'm going to get into keywords for just a little bit. A keyword is what someone types into Google to look for you. For example, if someone's in West Monroe and looking for trailers for sale, they're going to type something like trailers for sale in West Monroe. That's a buyer intent. Someone's typing that is probably looking for something to buy, and that's why it's important to get to the top, to the front page, and then to the top of searches so that they click on you. So to optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. And by that I mean text that shows exactly who you are, what you do, what services you provide, the locations you serve, any specials or any offers that you have, etc. And it's important also to have call to actions also. I would definitely increase a few more buttons. Options for people to contact you, either submit a form or give you a call. The second thing I want to talk about are citations. Now let's go back to the map. So when someone types in a location-based keyword like this, Google usually brings up a map of the local area and 3 businesses here. Now, this is known as the map pack. How do you rank here? How do you get to the front here? Well, it has a lot to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are listed, cited online in different directories. For example, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, YellowPages.com, Superpages.com, etc. The more relevant and higher in number citations than your competitors, the better off you are. So I'll definitely research your competitors. Make sure you have more citations, double or triple the number of citations, so that you stay ahead of the game. The last thing I wanted to talk about are backlinks. A backlink has more to do with this organic listing section below the map pack. Now, how do you get to the top here? This is where everybody wants to be. So it has a lot to do with backlinks. A backlink is when a different website links to you, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. If you think of it, if a McDonald's is directing traffic to you, that's a little bit spammy because there's no relevancy to you, and Google can tell those are different niches and will consider that not relevant. So there are tools out there that you can research your competitors and find out what backlinks they have, so you can get more powerful backlinks on your website. For example, I use a tool. Let me take this competitor right here. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and you can get in here and research your competitors basically. So I can tell they've got about 561 backlinks from 26 referring domains. That's not too hard to beat. You can see that Google recognizes them for 215 keywords. So it's important to come in and do proper research on your competitors. Make sure you're picking the relevant keywords that they're already ranking for and beat them at it. So let me take your site actually and see how you're doing here. Google barely recognizes any keywords on your site, but it's not really that hard to get started and get going with Google. One thing I do want to mention is that I was looking at your Facebook page, and you have wonderful, beautiful pictures here, and I'll definitely include them on your website as well. Make sure you optimize them as well. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: citations, content and backlinks. Feel free to reach out. I'm just going to reach out for some feedback. Take these tips, use them. I hope they can help you grow and get more as you build your business presence online. Again, my name is Charles. Thank you for your time and have a great day.